In this video, I will show you how to share your NGL link on your Facebook story. NGL stands for Not Gonna Lie, and it is a fun way to receive anonymous messages from your friends. Many people use it to ask questions or get honest feedback. First things first, grab your smartphone and open up the NGL app. Once you're in the app, tap on the Copy Link button. You'll see a confirmation message indicating that your link has been copied successfully. From here, just keep tapping Next Step until you reach the final option. Now it's time to share. Tap Share, and this will lead you directly to the Instagram story creation screen. Your NGL link will be pasted automatically onto your story. You can move this link sticker around anywhere on your story canvas. Once you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to share it. Tap on that arrow icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap Share. Here's an exciting feature: you'll also get an option to share this same story directly to your Facebook story. If you'd like to cross-post this content onto Facebook, simply tap that share button again. If you don't see this option available, make sure that your Instagram account is connected to Facebook. This connection is key for seamless sharing between platforms. And there you have it, you've successfully shared your NGL link on both Instagram and Facebook stories, making it easier than ever for friends and followers to interact anonymously with you. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below.